Hi, my name is Trisha, and I've been going to BrightView for a year and 4 months now. I was dealing with addiction and I had gotten arrested and I went to jail for a little while. And when I get out, I didn't want to keep living how I was living. And somebody told me about BrightView. So I came here and it's been coming ever since.
Was there anything that happened that, helped you make that decision that now is I need some help?
Definitely going to jail was a big part of it, and not having my kids with me.
What is it meant to have a treatment center in Kent like Brightview?
Amazing because it was super close. They actually got me an Uber for my first couple appointments so that I was able, because I was living in the town next to it at the time. So it means a lot. They're all so sweet. They're easy to talk to. They're really good people, and they never made me feel ashamed or anything.
What surprised you most about the Brightview in Kent when you first walked in?
Um, how nice and welcoming everyone was, and how like nobody ever made me feel ashamed of being, addicted to drugs, and they never made me feel ashamed. They listen to me when I talk. They give me good advice. They tell me like they help me decide what I need to do moving forward instead of like, telling me and or anything like that. We came to a decision together. If I ask for like, say I need help with like, because I was homeless for a little while, they printed me out things like different community things I could go to for help, for food or for housing or for anything like that I needed.
What's the outlook on life right now? How are you feeling about where you are and the support team that you have?
Really, really good. I went from, you know, being on the streets and not having a job, and I have a job now and I get to see my kids, and everything literally is looking amazing. It's going really, really good.
What do you want people in Kent to know about recovery?
It's hard, but if you keep going at it and you find the right, people, especially here, they literally were a lifesaver here for me. So just keep looking up, even when it gets hard.